Hi, I'm Carrie from Dendriad Art and Press for Design, and today's video is a follow-up to my How to Draw a Flower of Life video. And this video is going to be more of an ideas video, so no instructions in this one, but just some ideas on how you can use the flower of life creatively. Now, you may know that the flower of life can be used to draw 4 out of the 5 platonic solids. So that's one way you can use it, and I'll put some photos of that in now so you can just have a quick look at those. But as well as being able to draw the platonic solids from the flower of life, you can also use it in a creative way and create mandalas from it, and that's what I'm going to concentrate on today. So you can just use the flower of life as it is and just colour it in as you would any normal colouring page, say. So this is the same flower of life that I've drawn. I've just added a few more doodles here and a few different colours. So that's a very simple way of using it. But what you can also do is pick out different areas. So you could pick out some of the petals here, you could pick out shapes, so say triangles, or even like a pointed oval shape here. You could just go through and see what kind of shapes you can find. So this is quite a simple one that I've just taken the petal shapes and I've just drawn a quick mandala with that. Then you can also expand the flower of life, so add several rows on, and again you can just use it quite plain and simple. So here I've outlined absolutely everything that's on the page and then just coloured it in differently, but then you can also use it to create different mandala effects. So here you'll see that I've picked out different areas, so I'm still using those same arcs, so the same arcs that we've got here that we've created, I'm still following those lines but just picking out different areas, so like this 6-sided floral pattern here. So there's a few examples of those. And you don't need to stay with the hexagonal shape, you can always pick out different shapes as well. And if you like, you can go in and see what kind of fun patterns you can find in there. So I thought this was quite fun with the tree of life and even a couple of acorns in the middle there as well. So it's just up to you exactly what you find within that flower of life and where those little arcs will lead you. So those of you who know me know that I also do Celtic knotwork as well. So lately I've been playing around with adding Celtic knotwork to the flower of life. So I've taken areas within the flower of life and then I've rubbed them out. So with this particular one, I've rubbed out this area here, so these 4 interjoined circles, and then I've used the points, as you can see. So to keep the geometry, I've used the points of the middle of the petals to work from with my triquetras, and then this circle here is actually taken from this circle right here in the centre. So you can see that you still use the geometry of the flower of life, but use it in different ways. And there's quite a few different examples of these ones because I've been having fun playing with those. And then I've also created a full page piece which will be going into my next Celtic knotwork colouring book, so with a border at the top and bottom, and then lots of different triquetras and 6-sided stars as well. So I hope that's given you a few ideas and that you'll have a play with your flower of life drawings. I'll put the link to the previous video in the description below so you can have a look at that if you haven't seen that already. And feel free, if you're on Instagram, to tag me with your drawings, because I'd love to see what you've done, and I'll put the details for those below as well. So have fun drawing your flower of life and getting creative with it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.